The jury is going to have several options to choose from when they deliberate. She's been charged with second-degree murder. She's been charged with involuntary manslaughter. She's been charged with motor vehicular manslaughter while intoxicated. And I believe, as a lesser-included offense, she could be charged with driving under the influence.
I think on closing arguments, we counted over 300 people out there that day, all there for Karen Reed.
It's Justice Day!
Today's the day.
So now we're at the point of the trial where the lawyers get to do their closing arguments for you. I've given them each an hour to do so, and they both tell me that they want me to give a 5-minute warning. So we'll hear now from Mr. Jackson.
Thank you, Your Honor. Look the other way. Look the other way. 4 words that sum up the Commonwealth's entire case. 4 words that sum up the hopes of those who have tried to deceive you. Conflicts of interest? Doesn't matter. Just look the other way. Late night calls and Google searches, falsified affidavits. Just look the other way.
Alan Jackson's closing was memorable. He is a phenomenal courtroom performer, storyteller, which is part of the job of being an attorney, especially a defense attorney.
The Commonwealth cannot explain John O'Keefe's injuries. They can't explain his head wound. They cannot, and haven't even tried, to explain the lack of injuries on John's body from the neck down. Nothing. Ladies and gentlemen, Karen Reed is innocent. Do justice and find her not guilty.
It was effective and artistic, and I thought it was vintage Alan Jackson.
I hit him, I hit him, I hit him, I hit him.
We heard testimony from 4 different witnesses who overheard and observed those statements from the defendant.
On January 29th, 2022.
Adam Lally is not the orator that Alan Jackson is. There was a lot of information, and he wasn't really that dynamic.
12/17/56, the defendant drives by the Temple Beth Abraham video. Again, you can see that on the video.
Mr. Lally, 5 minutes.
Yes, sir.
And you could see the jurors losing interest a little bit. One gentleman just kept holding his head in his hand the entire time.
To the microscopic pieces, 1/16 of an inch by 1/16.
You have 1 minute, Mr. Lally. Wrap it up.
Yes, sir.
The defendant drove her vehicle in reverse, struck Mr. O'Keefe, causing those catastrophic head injuries,
Leaving him incapacitated and freezing to death.
Mr. Lally, I have to stop you. You've gone over. Okay?
I literally have 1 sentence on you.
1 sentence I'll give you.
From that facts and that evidence, I would submit and electively demonstrates her guilt on each of the indictments before you, and I would ask that you find it so. Thank you.
All right.
The insult of it all is Adam Lally ran out of time, and the judge stopped him. Now, I don't know what he was going to say at the end, but I know that if you're making a compelling argument, you want to make sure the last thing you say is what sticks with the person or people you're talking to. So sadly, Adam Lally didn't get that.
Jurors, I have my instructions in the law I'm going to give you.
The makeup of the jury now is 6 women, 6 men. And we're just looking forward to finding out and hopefully getting that not guilty verdict.